So three numbers A, B, C lies between 1 and 23 such that first data is 1 comma A comma B are in GP and B comma C comma 23 are in AP and A plus B plus C is equal to 128. Then geometric mean between B and C is what? Geometric mean between B and C is what? So 1 comma A comma B are in GP means what? A square is equal to 1 into B, right? Agar A square is equal to what? B is called as equation 1. It's called as equation 1. So B, C, 23 are in AP. So what is arithmetic mean between C? Arithmetic mean between B and 23? Yes. C is equal to B plus 23. So divided by 2. Andre so 2C is equal to B plus 23 is called as equation 2. It's called as equation 2. Next, A plus B plus C is equal to next one A plus B plus C is equal to what? 28 is called as equation 3. It's called as equation 3. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಟಾಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಡಾಟಾನ ಎಸ್ ಎನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ 3 implies ಸೊ ಎ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1? a square. So right, so what is the C? C is what? B plus 23. So divided by 2. Very both from equation 2 in the. So right is equal to 28. Ready? 1 and 2 na equation 3 nalli use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So A ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ first tab. So B is A square from equations 1 and C is equal to what? So B plus 23 divided by 2 is equal to 28. So using 1 and 2 in equation 3 we get A plus A square plus B plus 23 by 2 is equal to 28. Again A plus A square plus again B from equation 1. So what? A square plus 23 so divided by 2 is equal to 28 is equal to 28 ನೋಡಿ is the total equations in convert ಆಗಿದೆ. So A convert ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ LCM is 2. So 2 times A plus 2 times A square plus A square plus 23. So 28 2s are 56. So right 56. So 8 2s are 16, 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So C is 3A square, next plus 2A, so minus 23 into 23, so 56 minus 23, so 3, so 5 2s andre 33 ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು so 23 so minus 33 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equations. The quadratic equations. What is the possibility values of A? But so the value of A lies between 1 and 23 only because the three numbers ABC lies between 1 and 23. Lies between, so 1 ಬರಾಗಿಲ್ಲ 23 ಬರಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, so between 1 and 23 ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Suppose ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ quadratic equations solve ಮಾಡಿದಿನ, so quadratic equations solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so 1 roots ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 1 root ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ because ನೋಡಿ so 2 square is what? 2 square is 3 square is what? 9 3s are 27. So ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 into 9 plus 2 into 3 minus 33. So 27 plus 6 minus 33. So 27 plus 6 is 33 minus 33. So okay. So right. So andre so A is equal to 3. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು so either 23 ಬರುತ್ತೆ or so 23 ನ ಆಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A is equal to 3. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A is equal to 3 ಆದ್ರೆ so what is B? So b is equal to from equations 1. So 9, correct? So 3 square is 9. However, what is c? C is equal to b plus 23 by 2. Andre b is 9 plus 23. So divided by 2. C is equal to 23 plus 9 is 32. 32 divided by 2. C is equal to what? 16. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ABC ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ABC ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ B and C. So geometric mean between B and C is defined as square root of BC, square root of BC, square root of BC. So is equal to square root of 9 into 16. So right, and then so square root of 144, square root of 144, square root of 144 is 12. Geometric mean between B and C is 12. Geometric mean between B and C is 12. Correct? Next question is nodi. So the roots of the equation. So 152. The roots of the equations. The roots of the roots ಅಥವಾ yes the roots of the equations. So the roots of the equations. So bx square plus cx plus a is equal to 0. Sorry, the quadratic equation, the expression of the forms. So right, roots ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ yes, the roots of the equations are bx square plus cx plus a. But ABC are known now. So ABC, so b is what? 9. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So 9x square plus c is 16x plus a is 3 is equal to 0. So the roots of these quadratic equations are real and distinct, imaginary, real and repeated. So the note. So how to conclude the roots are real and repeated, roots are real and distinct, roots are imaginary. So just calculate. So discriminant. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So here b is 16. So a is 9. C is 3. So right. So 16 square is 256. Right. Next 4 into a is 9. So into 3. So okay. So 256 minus. So 36 into 3. So 36 into 3 is less than 200, right? So this is a 256. It means what? So is a delta greater than 0. The discriminant greater than 0. This quadratic equations having so real and distinct root. Real and distinct root of these quadratic equations. Okay. So next, arithmetic mean between a and b. So already a calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 3. So b is how much? Yes, b is 9. So because a square is equal to b. So arithmetic mean between a and b is defined as a plus b by 2 is equal to 3 plus 9 divided by 2 is equal to, so 12 by 3 is 6. So arithmetic mean between a and b is 6. Next, question number 154 ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So question number 154. So ನೋಡಿ. So ABC are the roots of the cubic equations. ABC are the roots of the cubic equations. So then what is the value of R? So R calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is the value of R? ABC are the roots ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So suppose cubic equation is there. So the relations ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So sum of the roots, suppose alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಬೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು ಗಾಮಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಗಾಮಾ ಇಂಟು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್, ಸಿ ಬೈ ಎ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟು ಬೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು ಗಾಮಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್, ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಎ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಎ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, so suppose alpha beta gamma are the roots of the cubic equation. Sum of the roots of cubic equations is defined as, so alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So sum of the product of the roots taken two at a time is c by a, and the product of the roots of cubic equations is alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus b by a, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು r ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ just ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, so product of the roots but a b c are the roots here. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so a b c, so right, is equal to minus d by a ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, minus d by a. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so a x cube, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ is the last one ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, d ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, minus r by 1, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು minus r. But a b c are known, so a is what, 3, so b is what, so b is 9, c is what, so right, 16, okay, is equal to minus r. So 3 9s are 27 into, sorry, this is 12, right, 16 or 12, 16, see 16 is equal to minus r, multiplications ಮಾಡಿ. So minus r is equal to, so yes, 6 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus, so 432 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ r is equal to minus 432 ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.